hands and feet. Why for hands and feet? Because our hand is doing a lot of work. Doesn't matter you're a man or you're a woman, you're doing a lot of work. Women doing a lot of work in the kitchen or cleaning, connected with the water, and hands becoming tired. Even if you are working on laptop or do some small work, I don't know, jewelry, painting, whatever, writing, typing, the hands become tired, and also our upper body. And this massage will support you to release the tension from the hands and also stimulate the meridians, because on all our body a lot of meridians, and on hands also. On each finger is coming 2 meridians. So stimulating it, you are stimulating the work of this or that internal organs. We will not go in detail which organ we will stimulate, because it's already a different topic for teachers, but we want to focus just on our health. And why feet? Because on the feet also a lot of points, I think everybody knows about it, and a lot of points directly connected with our vision. Yeah. So if you give massage to your feet by yourself every day without depending from any spa salon or any professional therapist, you will support also your eyes, and for sure you will release the tension. On our legs also come in a lot of meridians, and you will stimulate your internal organs. I will use for this massage simple Vaseline, and this is the best, cheap, best and natural, no chemical. For sure, if you want, you can use special creams for hands, for feet, oils, whatever you choose. Just want to tell, if you catch a cold, yeah, or if you have a really problem with your eyes, use for feet mustard oil. Or if it's okay, yeah, use just Vaseline or any cream which you already choose for your body. I am using Vaseline, especially in cold season, yeah, the skin becoming dry. So the Vaseline give a nice moisture to our skin. Yeah. So what we will do? First of all, we will take Vaseline and we will start with the hands. Also, what I want to tell, yeah, I took like this, that students who is practicing face massage, yes, which we learned already, it's nice to practice directly after feet massage for hands and feet, which I will demonstrate you right now. So just apply Vaseline, yeah, and put it in any way, yeah. All of us, I think, used to put cream on our hands and without already thinking know how to do it. So apply also until your elbows. Yeah? Give it. Put it everywhere, in any way. And then we will continue with massage. It will take only maximum 10 minutes. Yeah? So first, one manipulation which we learn with you from the technique Tao for face, but here we will repeat. So here, put one finger, thumb between another hand, thumb and index, and 4 fingers from the side of the smallest finger, and just rub it. Yeah? Just remember 2 points. Here we have the point of the large intestine which support the digestion, yeah? So you are stimulating it, and here we have the meridian directly connected with our cardio system, heart. So stimulating the digestive system and the cardio system. And another hand. And do it as much as you wish, doesn't matter how much. Then spread the fingers, put one between one, yeah? And like this. From 2 hands. Okay? And then take your wrist in your hands and move. Yeah, so you will move two hands, this hand which you use to massage and this hand which you are massaging right now. Yeah? And another hand. Okay, next one, we will give attention to each finger. Yeah, so start from the thumb, does not matter which hand you choose, just do it for both. Yeah, and just move forward, backward. Yeah, from the up and down side, and then from the sides. Yeah? Yeah? Just see, first like this, and then turn and from the sides. Okay, and then again roll forward, backward. Then same finger until the wrist, this bone until the wrist. Next, index again, just watch. Yeah, I show like this, from up and down, from the side, roll, and this bone, yeah, which is coming from the index finger until the wrist, from upper side and from the side of the palm. Yeah, I just show you. It will be like this. You can use any way to massage, like this, yeah, doesn't matter. Stimulating the meridians. Next, middle finger from the side, from the up and down, yeah, and you can do it as much as you feel. Yeah, roll, and then like this. Good. Next one, ring up and down from the side, yeah, and then this bone until the wrist, from the side of the palm, inner palm also, and the smallest finger. Roll, and here. Yeah? Everybody see? Okay, one more hand. Thumb up and down from the side, roll, and now this bone until the wrist. Okay, index. Until the wrist. Yeah? Middle. You can start from the side or from the up and down, doesn't matter, just do all the direction. Roll and bone. Okay, now ring finger. You find the comfortable way how to rub your fingers, yeah? And the smallest. So all 10 fingers done, yeah? Remember about all of them. If you have problem with your heart, so give more attention to the smallest finger. If you have problem with your digestive system, or in the morning, evening, in toilet, you have kind of constipation, so stimulate this point. One hand by pushing and drawing, or one more hand, yeah? You can feel kind of nice pain. And after this, yeah, again, finger between finger and wrist. Same as we start. Okay? So next one, from the wrist till the elbow. Take the hand from the side, one side thumb, another 4 fingers, and move. Yeah? This manipulation is from Tao. And here now change up and big finger, thumb, down. And then all the area from the wrist till the elbow, including elbow joint, yeah? Roll. Another hand. Up and down. Roll, including elbow joint. Okay? And then just rub the hands. You can also squeeze like this, then change the fingers like this, then turn, squeeze the finger inner, push softly, change, push and shake. then we will move now to the shoulders, yeah? Open this area. If you need more Vaseline or cream, put. And just massage your shoulder. And here the muscles, which called trapezius, give a massage. And then towards your shoulder joint, just give a massage. Another hand. First, muscles, yeah, here. And then shoulder joint, kind of rotation. Okay? And then you can do just clapping. Here also you can sense tension in your neck. So put your hands like this behind and do like this, roll backward, forward. Also you will grab your muscles of the upper back. And clap on, yeah? Okay, we finish with our hands. You see, it's not take so much time. Next, feet. With Vaseline. Sit in any comfortable posture, yeah? And prepare your foot. Put Vaseline from this side, where is our skin becoming hard and dry, and just apply it, yeah? Fully. And from the another side. So first we give massage to our heel and just kind of rotation movement. And it's also supporting the skin to be soft. Then here we have a point, yeah? Look, my thumb here, yeah? Right here, bone, a little bit down, the diagonal if you make, somewhere in the middle. And from this side, here, yeah? So give here, massage. When you push, you will feel kind of nice pain. Okay, and again heel. Then all foot. Okay, then put finger between toes like this. Relax your foot. Now squeeze the hand, push on your foot, then relax your hand and squeeze the toes. Relax. Fingers, relax. Toes, relax. And we will do like this 5 times. This is number 3, 4, 5. And then move, and take it out. Next, we will give again attention to each toe. So, first to each toe from the base. Massage from up and down, yeah? Look, like this. And then from the side. It's not necessary to bring your leg up. I'm doing it just to show you. You can choose any comfortable posture. Another toe from up and down, then from the side. Another up and down. From the side. Another. Remember each toe. And again, if you feel like to give massage to some of the toe more, do it. And the smallest. And up and down. Okay? Then we will give to all line from the ankle joint towards the torso. From the ankle, here thumb, and here also all 4 fingers. 1, 2, yeah? Look, 3. Here, change the hand, 4. And we have one more, 5, yeah? And now, just put your foot and give a nice massage with 2 hands. The next, this part of the leg in the winter especially dry, so take a little bit more Vaseline, rub the hands and apply here. And then give massage to our ankle joint. And then from the back side. Okay, so one foot ready. Change the leg and we repeat with you same with another leg. Remember, first apply cream, whatever you want. Give more attention to your heel. On the heel usually we have more hard skin, yeah? Then from the toe, just apply everywhere. Okay? Now start from heel. Rotation. Then this life point, it's called, yeah? This is the point where is the doctor checking the person who is leaving the body. Yeah, so when the doctor push on this point and body is not reacting, means body already left somewhere. Yeah. Next one. 2 hands fully. Finger between toes. Yeah. Put in any comfortable posture your foot and squeeze with the hand your foot. Then with the foot squeeze your hand. Fingers squeezed, relaxed. Toes squeezed, relaxed. 3, 4, 5. Then little bit move, kind of shaking and take out. Now to each finger we will give time. So big one from up and down, forward, backward, and then from the side. Yeah, like this I can show you. Another up and down from the side. Up and down from the side. Change the hand if it's not comfortable, yeah? So you just should feel and smallest comfortable. Okay, now this line from the ankle till the beginning of the toe. So thumb up, all 4 fingers from the down side. Next, number 3. Okay, I change the hand. Number 4, number 5. Okay, and now you can give like this massage. Now, yeah, little bit more, and our calf from one side, from another side, one by one. Give more attention to your ankles. So both our feet. So that's all for massage, self-massage of our hands and our feet. If it's cold weather, put on your feet after this massage cotton socks, yeah? And go to sleep and relax. Also, if you feel tiredness, tension in your legs after this massage, you can lie down close to the wall and put your legs on the wall and be in this posture as much as you feel. Or if it's okay, just go to sleep with relaxed body. For today, our practice finish. Enjoy to love your body. Hari Om.